150 sentences for beginners. John wears glasses. Negative. John doesn't wear glasses. Yes/no question. Does John wear glasses? WH question. Who wears glasses? Tag question. John wears glasses, doesn't he? Jamie has a new phone. Negative. Jamie doesn't have a new phone. Yes/no question. Does Jamie have a new phone? WH question. What does Jamie have? Tag question. Jamie has a new phone, doesn't she? Camila is tall. Negative. Camila isn't tall. Yes/no question. Is Camila tall? WH question. Who is tall? Tag question. Camila is tall, isn't she? The dog barks loudly. Negative. The dog doesn't bark loudly. Yes/no question. Does the dog bark loudly? WH question. How does the dog bark? Tag question. The dog barks loudly, doesn't it? We go to the park. Negative. We don't go to the park. Yes/no question. Do we go to the park? WH question. Where do we go? Tag question. We go to the park, don't we?